All right, are we on? Are we on? Can somebody confirm I'm live on YouTube? Hold on, I gotta open up my chat on Discord. Yeah, you're live? Okay, cool. Hey, everybody on YouTube, everybody that's pulling up on YouTube, I'm so sorry I forgot about you guys today. I was in a rush this morning. My bad. I'm so sorry. Hold on. Let me add these people on Twitter. Dude, am I gonna get a copyright if I'm playing fucking music? Oh, I'm gonna have to turn off the music. I'm trying to get a copyright strike. All right, what's up, everybody who's pulling up on the YouTube live? I forgot to start the stream, so my bad. I'm so sorry. I forgot about you guys today. I was in a rush this morning, man. I just forgot about you guys. So I am leaning a little more bullish for the day here. We are in the manipulation phase for quarterly theory, so this is very manipulative. I was considering shorts, but I wanted to wait. I really don't like. Wait, what the hell? What's up with my YouTube, bro? Am I good? Anyways, I really don't like trading the manipulation phase because oh my goodness, dude. I'm so everywhere right now. I'm sorry. Give me a second. You guys good? You guys on Discord can see it? All right, cool. This is what happens. This is what happens. Anyways, I don't really like trading the manipulation phase in quarterly theory because it's just very up and down like this. Shorts looked decent right here on NQ, but as you guys could see, it just keeps pushing up. I am bullish because the reason why I'm bullish here is if I go to the 15-minute on NQ and we mark this manipulation move right here from yesterday's closing, we anchor our Fibonacci from this low to this high. Our standard deviation lines up with this buy side up here. So I'm leaning a little more bullish today just for that reason. Obviously, if we come back down, we displace lower, then we'll look for shorts. But other than that, I've told everybody in my Discord and everybody that's been watching me, I want to stay a little more patient today. We had a really banging trade yesterday, so we had a really great trading day yesterday. So we had a very large move as well. So I'm not expecting too much from today, if I'm being honest. And we have SMT at the lows right now, so I'm not expecting a whole lot if I'm being extremely honest here. So I don't want to rush anything because we had a really good day yesterday. So I'm not gonna rush anything here today. We just retested this old buy side here. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff, Sophia. Good shit. Love to see it. I thought you don't trade on CPI. It's not CPI. Yeah, that was considered a unicorn on Nasdaq, Cole, because we had the manipulation move. You had that bullish breaker, but it did hold. Actually, it did hold and it did take out those highs, so it was valid. But manipulation phase on quarterly theory, I don't really like trading the manipulation phase because of that reason. So yeah, I'm waiting for the distribution phase. I think price will clean up here in a little bit. I'm just waiting for that. Again, I don't want to take anything. I don't want to take anything that's not super clear. He said, I thought you don't trade on CPI yesterday. So yesterday, what I don't trade is the report. Like when it comes out, that's when I don't trade. But price action usually cleans up a little bit after CPI, and that's when I will trade. So it was a super good day yesterday. I'm not gonna lie. Yesterday was amazing. How many episodes left in the series? I got about, so we're on episode 9. I think like 4 more episodes. We got 4 episodes. Yeah, there's gonna be a video on how I use quarterly theory in the series, so that's gonna be in the series as well. It's gonna be one of the last episodes. Looks like we're gonna go for this buy side here. Go ahead and change that there. I do really think we're gonna come up to this buy side here, which is the CPI high from yesterday. But I'm just waiting for price action to clean up. We got London lows right here. We got a bunch of fair value gaps under those lows as well. So that could potentially be a draw if we flip bearish. Watching the London lows and then also the Asia lows. But we can't take this high. If we were gonna be bearish and we're gonna go for all that down there that I just mentioned, we have to start flipping bearish now, which I don't think we do. But you never know what could happen. So the reason why I say that is because this would be our manipulation move on the 5-minute, and standard deviation lines up kind of with all this sell side here. But again, on the 15-minute, real quick, if I show you guys a manipulation move from yesterday's closing, standard deviation, -2 and -2.5 line up with this buy side here. So it's just all about being patient, waiting for your model to show up. Just being patient. Don't rush anything. Don't FOMO. You guys should know the drill. Should I make the switch from Forex? He deleted the message. Can you show the QT indicator settings? 4-hour and 1-hour FVG right above CPI high. Yeah, man. There's a lot of confluence to go up there as well. Right there. That would be really nice if we swept this high and then just started reacting off of these. I could definitely see that happening. But again, after a large move like this, you would consider that the next day would be accumulation or some sort of like consolidation. Like, to be honest, I'm not expecting a huge like move today, if I'm being honest. It can't happen, but we had a pretty large range overnight as well, so I'm not expecting anything very, very big or whatever. I just want to see price clean up, and if I see something super clear, then we'll go ahead and attack it. But for now, I don't really see anything that's super clear, so I'm not trying to risk the money that I made from yesterday today. until I see something super clear. Should I switch over from Forex to futures / indices? That's totally up to you, brother. I love indices. I love futures. It's very clean. Am I still going into Japan? No, bro. I'm not going to Japan. Would you show your settings for that fib? Yeah, bro. I got you. Go ahead and screenshot it. I'm just gonna put it up for a minute. There you go. You can go ahead and screenshot that. Pause the video if you need to. All right, RP said, I think it's slow, grind upwards to the news data, high wick. Maybe, man. We'll have to see. Again, I'm not really, I'm waiting until price action cleans up, man. We do have CISD here and changing the state of delivery since we closed bodies above these bearish candles. So this would be your order block, and if price is being supported by these down close candles, this should move up. So let me go ahead and mark that out. This should be your CISD. So if this is correct, the price should move up from here. No, I'm not going to be showing the fib in the series, but I mean, I can make separate videos for that, like standard deviation, projections, and stuff like that. But I'm not, you don't need it for the unicorn, but I guess it's a good tool to have. And I'll probably make videos on those separately, like just separate videos from the series. And you guys could combine all that together if you want. On what unicorns do you decide to enter on your CFD accounts as well as Top Step? If the unicorn looks clean, I'll enter on most of my accounts. Yeah, I'll probably make a video on standard deviation, to be honest. Standard deviation and what else? What other thing was I using? Standard deviation and what other? Oh, CISD. I'll probably make a video on order blocks and CISD and standard deviation because those really pair well with the unicorn model. How good is the unicorn on Euro USD? It's pretty good, man. There was a guy actually that had back tested the unicorn model just on the 5-minute time frame, just using the 5-minute time frame. I guess he back tested 9 forex pairs. Euro USD was one of them. I think it was most of the USD pairs, but he had, what was it, guys? He had like a 80-something% win rate, and his average R per month was like 4. It was crazy. It was pretty interesting. Does a unicorn need a higher time frame liquidity sweep? Yes. Also, do you look for market maker buy or sell models for unicorns because it isn't low risk sell buy? No, I don't look for market maker sell or buy models. Honestly, it's, if you mix up too many models, you're gonna have analysis paralysis, man. Do you not like the current 1 hour unicorn because it's set up in pre-market? No, the current 1 hour unicorn is decent, but when you see a 1 hour unicorn, I like zooming into the 5-minute to look for one, because if you guys haven't downloaded my free unicorn PDF, I explain time alignment. So if you're looking at a 1 hour point of interest or a 1 hour PD array, you would start to zoom into the 15-minute and 5-minute to look for entries, so you could lower your risk. So there you go. Price delivered from this order block here in the change of the state of delivery. Looks like we're going up to the -2 here on NASDAQ. That's where I think we head to today. I think we get that CPI high. And I have been leaning bullish for today. I didn't want to short here because of the manipulation phase. We're about to enter the distribution phase, though. So I think we can push up to here in the distribution phase. So again, just waiting, being patient. Just being patient, being patient. if we form a 5-minute fair value gap above this high, I would consider taking longs here up to that high right there. Now, if I anchor my, let's see the 1 minute. Actually, let's go to the 5 minutes. It's the same thing. So if I anchor the Fibonacci from this low to this high, we can get our projections from this move right here. And our projections line up. They don't line up exactly, but you see where the -2 lines up? It lines up above this buy side. So we actually could have a pretty big move today. I'm not going to lie. We actually could be moving pretty heavy today if this standard deviation projection actually holds to be true. So keep that in mind. Pretty crazy. Again, people that were looking for shorts here got burned. I really was not looking for shorts. I was bullish coming into the day. But I also did say, you know, if we did flip bullish or bearish, we would attack the bearish side. But manipulation phase, man. This is what the manipulation phase is all about. It fucking manipulates you so into thinking that something else is going to happen when it's not. Didn't the accumulation high get swept first? Can you explain why you are bullish? I'm bullish because the standard deviation from down here, we've already met our weekly objective. If I go to the 1 hour on NQ, you guys will see we've already met our weekly objective, which were these relative equal lows here, right? And then if I go to the 15-minute, we had a manipulation move sweeping that liquidity. So if you anchor your fib from here to here, you get standard deviation lining up in this zone right here. So usually when we get up to the zone right here in between the -2.5 and -2, price will usually have a reaction there. If it isn't, then it's really bullish and we're going to keep ripping up. And we also had a break of structure here. We had a change in the state of delivery here. So price never came back and returned to make new lows. It actually pushed up overnight. And we're pretty much respecting the bullish PD arrays so far. And if I go to ES, if I bring back ES on the chart, we have our SMT at the lows. So that's another telltale sign that they want to take this higher. And usually in the manipulation phase of the quarterly theory, you will get an SMT divergence is what I've noticed. Plus, we've held the 15-minute fair value gap, bullish fair value gap, SMT. I always tell my members that high probability SMTs occur in higher time frame PD arrays. Those are the ones that are most likely to hold. All right, it's not just any normal SMT. Plus, we had a change in the state of delivery here, right? Price was being supported by the down close candles, which was this order block. Right, let me go ahead and mark this order block because some people are going to be like, what is CISD? CISD is abbreviated for change in the state of delivery. It's order block formations. It's why price was holding right here, and we went up to sweep this high here. So if this is the manipulation move right here, right? We had a manipulation move up and then one down. So if this is our true manipulation move and we keep displacing higher, then I would be looking for a take profit here and possibly for price to get all the way up to here, which is where another buy side level lines up. So hope that explanation helps on why I am bullish and not bearish like most people are. Most newbie ICT traders are bearish because they see the huge displacement. Why isn't this thing anchoring? But you gotta recognize everything that I'm talking about here. As you can see here, from this manipulation move on ES, we're already reaching this zone right here, right? On the -2 and -2.5. We're reaching this zone currently, right here. So we should have some sort of reaction around here on ES, maybe to consolidate to go higher. But, you know, we reached this zone here on the fib projections from this manipulation move down here. Then the -3 is lining up almost with this buy side as well. Let's see. Price has way more confidence to go up today. For price to go down, it would have to push through 1 hour FEGs. Yep. Thanks for explaining, G. You're welcome. Bro, there was also SMT at the lows. I know I just mentioned that. Yo, Johnny, what did you mean when you said 4R a month? There was a dude that back tested these Forex pairs with the 5-minute unicorn model just on the 5-minute time frame. and he made 4R every month. So meaning like if you had $1,000, he made 4K every month off $1,000. His average R was 4R. Will you stream every Wednesday from now on? Yeah, man. I'm gonna stream every Wednesday from now on YouTube. It's just one day a week. But I forgot this morning, man. I was in a rush this morning. I forgot to go live on YouTube. So I apologize for that. I'm not sure who it was, but yeah, they had back tested. They had back tested the unicorn on the 5-minute time frame on a bunch of forex pairs. Same thing here on the 15-minute. We had closed the body above this bearish candle. We tapped back into it. We pushed up. Yeah, I might actually take a stab long here on the 5-minute FEG here. Again, so let me go ahead and delete this real quick. But if this was our manipulation move as well on ES, I'm possibly looking for price to get up to there. Which, guess what? Look where the 2.5 lines up. Crazy. We might get active to the upside, dude, to be honest. Is it a CISD because it took low? Yeah. It was the series of bearish candles that took that low. So once you get a body candle close above it, that becomes your change in the state of delivery. 4708 monthly RR, that's fucking crazy. That is wild. It was 47R a month. Okay, so somebody in the Discord actually corrected me. So the dude that backtested the 5-minute unicorn was getting an average of 47R per month. So if you were to put $1,000 in and only take 5-minute unicorns, that is that's mind-boggling, bro. That was 5-minute unicorns on 9 forex pairs, just using the 5-minute unicorn model. You were making an average of 47 RR, meaning he was making $47,000 off $1,000. Crazy. That's insane. That is crazy. Just taking 5-minute unicorns in specific times. That is wild. That's how powerful the unicorn model is. Insane. It was all backtest data, not real. I posted that PDF from Twitter. Even then, backtesting, even like if you were just to focus, though, just imagine that. If you were just to focus on the unicorn model, just that's it on one time frame. That's insane. That's nuts. I looked at it. Only problem with unicorn is identifying the lick sweep. It gets really confusing between EL and IL. Yeah, so it's a little skewed right here, in my opinion, for NQ. I wouldn't know where to look for the unicorn here. On the 15-minute, however, it would be like right here. But it's kind of skewed right now. There is no unicorn, in my opinion, on NQ right now. I want to see if this 5-minute holds here to go higher. I think we will, though, to be honest. I think I want to play this, to be honest. I think I want to play this fair value gap. I do not use the 2022 model at all. Yes, looks better. It looks all right. I kind of want to try light size here on NQ, like a 1 con in this fair value gap. I might put it like right here. What does that look like? Hold on. What would this look like right here? Be a 5 RR if this were to play out today. I think I might take this, to be honest. I actually might take this. Do it with 1 con. I think 1 con would be good for this. I'm going to set a limit here in this 5-minute fair value gap for NQ. If you guys like NQ, then, or I mean ES, if you guys like ES a little more, then take ES. I like NQ because it's stronger. I have a breakdown on the bullish and bearish unicorn on my YouTube. Wonder if we can get a tap into this here, though. Now we are starting the distribution phase. So we're getting into the distribution phase now. So the next 90 minutes should push us to the upside. It should push us to the upside. Bambi, what are you doing, baby? Probably stay on here for like another 30, 45 minutes. I'm not playing off a breaker. I'm playing off a fair value gap. See what the 1 minute looks like. I like the risk here. I'm not tripping. I like the risk. The risk to reward here is nice. The power of the FEGs, yeah. Oh my goodness. Why, bro? Why are you guys so worried about my haircut? It's so fucking weird. It's weird that grown men really worry about my haircut. It's so fucking weird. It's so weird, bro. Like, motherfuckers always try to critique my shit. Like, it's like, bro, might look weird on the thumbnail, but it doesn't look weird in real life. I know it's I don't know. People are fucking weird. People are weird like that on the internet, bro. And it's always the people that have no profile picture that always try to critique shit. All right, there we go. I'm tapped in. So I want to see, obviously, I want to see this fair value gap hold in the 5-minute for us to keep going up. The reason why I like this fair value gap is because we closed above the high that made that new low, and we held the bullish PD arrays. Basically, we held this bullish order block, helped the price get up to that high and close above that high, and then we formed a imbalance. So I like this fair value gap here. This could be also the silver bullet fair value gap. So I like the risk here to the reward. So I'm fine with taking this risk here. And notice that I'm only going 1 con. Okay. Only 1 contract. Because again, I wasn't expecting too much today. So 1 contract could yield pretty good results if this plays out. Where can I find the document for the unicorn model? It's on my Watt page, bro. If you go to my Watt page, you'll see the free unicorn PDF. Alert it in the channel. You're right. Here, let me alert this real quick. Go ahead and nah, fuck that. Signal bots are not gonna eat, bro. They gotta be in here. Personally, I'm sitting out today as I'm protecting my funders, but it looks good. Good shit, Rumen. That's good discipline, bro. If you're getting in this trade with me, just go light, go one con, or do some minis. That's really all you need. And, you know, I emphasize that a lot. Like, one contract, two contracts is really all you need to make money, dude, on fundeds. Because your drawdown is so little. So, like, one contract can yield some really good results. You don't need a bunch of shit, a bunch of contracts. I see people doing, like, 10 contracts, and it's like, bro, like, a 20-point move would wipe your ass out. Already up on the day, PA. So 5 minis right now. Nice. Nice. As soon as you said it, I laughed. Oh, is that you? Are you bag testing, Ruben? Are you doing a demo? Oh, it's demo. Johnny, could this be AMD model in the 15-minute with this move up being the manipulation to go lower? It can. Yeah, it can, definitely. I just like where, if you guys are not noticing this fib projection down here, I'm just liking where that lines up for this buy side. Like where all these fib projections line up, I like it. I like where it lines up. Plus, you know, we have a ton of bullish PD arrays that we've been respecting on the 1 hour, right? Like all these fair value gaps, we didn't close below them. We're respecting everything. We're disrespecting bearish PD arrays. So it's a good sign that we should go higher. Obviously, if we go lower, then cool. Then I'll wait for PM session to clean up, and I will take a trade in PM session if something presents itself. Right? Again, I'm fine with taking this risk, especially because yesterday we had an amazing trading day. So and Monday we also had a decent day Monday as well. We only took one trade and banked on Monday, so I'm fine with taking this risk here. The WAP link should be in the description of this video. Johnny, quick question. If I'm up 2K on a trade for a 50K account and end up closing the profit out in 1K, does that mean I hit the daily 1K limit? Yeah, that's exactly what it means. Oh, unicorn in DAX. That looks nice. Let's see. 15-minute on ES. And move this over. Just tap that lower 5-minute on ES. Johnny, 1 minute CISD got to hold for you. Shit. We had a CISD over here on the 1 minute. But yeah, it does. It has to hold. If not, then we'll probably go lower. But again, I'm accepting the risk. I'm fine with losing. If I lose, it's totally fine. I have plenty of trades to take. All right, I'm not worried at all. Plenty of trades to take. And plus, everybody should be up for the week. Like, especially with yesterday's trading day. Like, yesterday's trading day was fucking fantastic. Like, this should be nothing to you. Unless you're over leveraging like a dummy. we displace through this, then we'll probably go lower. I'll probably only end up taking, I'm probably going to limit myself to 2 trades today. If I lose this one, I'll probably come back in PM session and look for another trade. Or if something cleans up here, I'm not going to be trading lunch, and I'll probably just skip out on lunch and then wait for PM session. My boy said he's crying right now. Exactly, Rumen. That's why you go one con and chill. I'm fucking straight chilling right now. People are probably over leveraging on this shit. I know some YouTube viewers are probably over leved on this shit, dude. Yeah. They're in with fucking 10 contracts. Yo, what's up, Johnny? We ate yesterday. I do this shit for my mom and my little brother too. Oh, what's up, bro? Hell yeah. Yeah, we did eat yesterday, dog. All right, bet, Rumen. For sure. Probably get stopped out on this. Yeah, it looks like I'm going to get stopped. The algo is watching your stop, as ICT would say. I mean, again, it's fine. It's fine if I get stopped. I'll probably look for a trade later on today, if there's anything there. All right, I got stopped right there. Bambi, move, go. What's my draw on liquidity? Draw on liquidity, in my opinion, is probably going to be this high up here. But if we displace lower here and we start heading lower and breaking structure, then I will change my bias and look for, London lows, these fair value gaps down here. But again, guys, like coming into the day, I wasn't expecting a whole lot, to be honest, because yesterday we had a very large range move and overnight we had a large range move. So I'm expecting like today just to be like some sort of like accumulation, maybe take out this high up here because of the projections from down here. But I'm not really expecting a whole lot. So again, if we start changing delivery here pretty soon, then I'll probably look to take shorts later on today. But this is probably most likely going to be my only trade for the morning today. I don't think I'm going to take anything else. Let's go to 15 minute. Yeah, 15 minute doesn't look all that great. So 5 minute got displaced through. Go ahead and delete that. No uni, no party. So we're at the bullish breaker now. Not yet. There's no bearish uni forming on Nas yet. No, the PDF, the free unicorn PDF, guys, is on my Watt page. You can find it on my Watt page. Just click on like the Discord link or the Telegram link, and it'll take you there. So you guys don't like this, dude? The 1 hour looks like shit. Yeah, the 1 hour. See, this is not ideal right now. The 1 hour does not look good. I think this might be a PM type of day, if I'm being honest. I think PM session might be the move. The large range move overnight is kind of what bugs me. Yeah, the OB is still holding on the 5 minute. Can I show my quarterly theory indicator settings? Yeah, bro. It is right here. It's pretty much like the default settings. It's called Day by Joshu. Now we got a bunch of equal lows here, bro. I think those get ran through. It's crazy. Right when Q4 starts is when we start moving. Isn't that crazy? Right when Q4 starts is when we start moving. It's wild. Pretty insane. What the hell? My dog's growling at me. Did you take the 15-minute ES unicorn pre-market? I did not. No. I took the we did take a trade here on NQ though in pre-market. It was a 15-minute unicorn right here. It ended up working out a little bit. It didn't take the equal highs up here. Ended up reversing, stopping me out at break even. But it did work out for a little bit, and then market open, manipulated. And then, yeah, it technically did end up working, though. Like, if you would have had your stop all the way down to here, it would have worked out, taking out those equal highs. But I got in, like, right here at this tap, right around here in these candles. Worked out for a little bit. Got stopped at break even. And, yeah. Are you covering true range and weak open in your series? No, I'm not. I just cover the quarterly theory and how I personally use the 90-minute cycles. You'll see, though, when the video comes out. You'll see. Bro, my dog is fucking growling. I think she wants to go outside. Hey, Bambi, chill. I'm gonna hop off and wait for PM. That doesn't sound like a bad idea. I'll probably hop off of here too. I don't think I'm gonna be taking a trade anytime soon. Lunchtime is in about an hour. We have this macro coming up right now in a minute. So I don't really think I'm gonna be taking a trade anymore. Not at least not the morning. I think I'm gonna wait for PM session and see what PM session holds. PM session has been pretty clean. Like yesterday, it was super clean. Ruben said, gotta get the money completely out of the picture to see it like this. You are learning how to trade, and the better trader you become, the more reward you receive. This way you focus on improving your trading rather than chasing the money. That's facts, man. Can we start doing weekly crypto streams? Yeah, bro, we can do them every Saturday. All the ones I sent in the, when was it, last Saturday? Not the Saturday that just passed, but last Saturday, all the coins that I sent are fucking, all those crypto coins are crazy up, bro. Like the one I sent, the gaming one, that shit is up like 60%. But yeah, we can start doing them every Saturday. All right, I think I'm gonna hop off of here, guys. I don't think I'm gonna take any more trades today. I think I'm gonna just hop off. The macro just started. I think we may come and clear these lows here, but I'm gonna hop off of here. we took one break-even trade, one L. So I'm just gonna wait for PM session to clean shit up, and then I'll come back and see if we can find anything for PM session. All right, guys. So I will catch you guys later. Thank you guys for tapping into the stream. I will catch you guys in PM session. I'll be in chat and stuff. So catch you guys in the PM session. All right. Peace out, guys. Good luck.